Hey YouTube family, so we are here in front of the Museum of Modern Arts. This is Sabrina, say hi.
Hi.
And Sammy, we got her in the back. So we are doing a tour of all of the iconic locations of Gossip Girl. So we've been watching Gossip Girl religiously, like every day. I think we're into season 4 right now. And we're like, we have free will, we live in New York, let's go do a tour of all of the Gossip Girl locations. So we already saw Blair's house, which was 1136 Fifth Avenue. Unfortunately, that had a lot of scaffolding going on, so we really couldn't get any cute photos or get out of the car. But now we are at the Museum of Modern Art, and we're gonna go take some photos and do some videos. Thank you so much. It's so beautiful. So this is obviously open in the summertime.